I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by BTC Prague, the biggest Bitcoin event in Europe, happening June 8th through 10th. Make sure you're there to check out 60 world-class speakers, 100 plus companies in the expo site, and a ton of great people all in beautiful Prague. You can expect talks from people like Michael Saylor, Stefan Livera, Alex Svetsky, Giacomo Zucco, Knut Svanholm, and many more. I can't wait to attend, so head over to btcprague.com and use code BTC Sessions for 5% off at checkout.
I think when our money is just an effective tool for savings, we don't have to stress about that rat race of fiat when you're constantly chasing the quantity of money to mitigate that decreasing quality of money. And so Bitcoin helps the individual to just achieve that financial independence sooner. In the meantime, while we're working to build our stack, we don't have to devote so much time and effort and brain space into, like Michael said before, financial planning and all these different types of assets. And we have to all be magically fund managers with expert skills in asset allocation. And, we're risking these massive setbacks where we can lose it all through speculation because we're trying to keep up with the pace of our loss in purchasing power. And as John said before, when the money is taken care of, when the wealth is taken care of, it frees up so much of our time and energy and brain space to experiment, to have leisure, to have the ability to create and unleash this dormant potential. Everyone has that something inside of them that they're kind of just suppressing because we have to work today. It's a 9 to 5. And so all of that comes out with the freedom to explore, to do what you love to do. And I'm just most excited to see the plebs show the world what they have. Show us what you got and you will be rewarded with cold hard sats. I'm so excited for that. Imagine the beautiful world that is going to get built from this.